What if the biggest secrets of our world, answers that could change everything, are buried deep beneath the ice, floating in the vastness of space, or hidden right in front of our eyes? Every day, military drones and cutting-edge technology are uncovering strange, life-altering discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew. From ancient life revived after thousands of years to cosmic phenomena that defy explanation, these are the discoveries nobody was meant to see. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the unknown. You won't believe what we found. Deep in the jungles of Honduras, LiDAR technology mounted on drones helped uncover the legendary White City, or City of the Monkey God, a long-lost civilization hidden for centuries. In 2012, researchers used light detection and ranging to survey the remote Musquicha region, allowing them to penetrate the dense jungle canopy. The data revealed a vast network of plazas, pyramids, and other structures, confirming the presence of a sophisticated ancient civilization. A year 2015 ground expedition, guided by these findings, uncovered untouched artifacts, including intricately carved stone sculptures and ceremonial seats. These discoveries provided rare insights into the daily life and rituals of the city's inhabitants. This breakthrough demonstrated how drone-mounted LiDAR can overcome the challenges of dense rainforests, paving the way for future archaeological discoveries. But what if I told you that hidden civilizations aren't just limited to Honduras? Deep in the Amazon rainforest, another astonishing discovery is rewriting history. Recent advancements in drone technology have brought to light an extensive network of ancient geoglyphs hidden beneath the dense canopy of the Amazon rainforest, reshaping our understanding of pre-Columbian civilizations in the region. In the Brazilian state of Acre, researchers have identified more than 450 large geometric earthworks, some dating back nearly 2,000 years. These remarkable structures, featuring circles, squares, and intricate polygons stretching over half a mile, are believed to have served as gathering sites for communal or ceremonial activities rather than permanent settlements. Far from being an untouched wilderness, the Amazon emerges as a landscape that was carefully shaped by its ancient inhabitants. Evidence suggests that these societies actively manage their environment, engaging in sustainable agroforestry by selectively cultivating valuable tree species. We've seen how ancient societies shaped the land beneath the jungle canopy. But what about the mysteries beyond our planet? Let's turn our attention to space, where a strange signal has left scientists searching for answers. The first fast radio burst, known as the Lorimer burst, was discovered in 2007 at the Parkes Observatory in Australia. This marked the beginning of a new field in astrophysics, revealing that FRBs were part of a larger, unknown phenomenon. In January 2025, astronomers traced an FRB to the outskirts of an ancient dead elliptical galaxy, challenging the belief that FRBs mainly come from younger galaxies. This discovery was made using the Gemini Observatory, which provided high-resolution imaging. Additionally, a study published in June of 2024 analyzed the polarized light from 128 non-repeating FRBs, suggesting they originate from galaxies with modest densities and magnetic fields. The origins of FRBs are still debated, with one theory pointing to magnetars, highly magnetized neutron stars. A January 2025 study traced an FRB to just 10,000 kilometers from a neutron star, supporting this hypothesis. B is a massive rocky exoplanet that orbits an orange star named Gliese 2141. Discovered in 2009 by the Kepler Space Telescope, this planet has sparked interest due to its Earth-like characteristics, suggesting it could potentially support life. However, its high density points to a large iron core, making up between 30 and 50% of the planet's total mass. Despite these similarities, the planet's land features, atmosphere, and climate make it completely uninhabitable. As with most planets close to their stars, this one has an atmosphere. But its extreme proximity to Gliese 2141 causes temperatures to reach nearly 3,000 degrees Celsius. The intense heat is so extreme that it melts and even vaporizes rocks, creating a hostile environment. This extreme heat, along with its location, makes the planet one of the most inhospitable places known in the universe. While Earth is considered ideal for supporting life, rising temperatures in certain areas are already causing severe damage, threatening ecosystems and biodiversity. Before we continue, I have a special 10-second request for all of you listening. If you can help me in any way, just press the notification bell and hit that subscribe button. It means the world. It really supports this channel. And if you do that for me, I promise my team and I will do everything we can to make this show even better for you. Deal? In early 2022, the Zwicky Transient Facility detected an unusual tidal disruption event named at 2022 CMC, located about 8.5 billion light-years away. This marked the most distant TDE ever observed and the first detection through optical wavelengths. It revealed a supermassive black hole tearing apart a star, ejecting material in a jet toward Earth. At 2021, astronomers observed another TDE, at 2021 EHB, where a massive black hole, 250 million light-years away, consumed a star. NASA's NuSTAR satellite provided detailed X-ray data on the black hole's feeding behaviors. In October 2024, astronomers discovered that the black hole V404 Cygni, 7,800 light-years away, is part of a triple star system, challenging existing theories of black hole formation and suggesting a gentler process called direct collapse. These discoveries are reshaping our understanding of black holes. What do you think about the discovery of black holes behaving differently than we expected? Could this change everything we know about the universe? Let us know in the comments below. In 2013, satellite archaeology researcher Angela Michael identified intriguing land formations about 12 miles east of Abu Sidham in Egypt's Minya Governorate. Satellite imagery revealed structures that bore a striking resemblance to heavily eroded pyramids. Later site visits hinted at the existence of an ancient complex, though more thorough archaeological investigations are needed to determine their true origins and significance. 2 years later, in October 2015, the Scan Pyramids project was launched, an ambitious international collaboration spearheaded by Cairo University and the French HIP Institute. This initiative employs cutting-edge, non-invasive technologies such as infrared thermography, muon tomography, and three-dimensional reconstruction to uncover new insights into Egypt's Old Kingdom pyramids. One of the project's most remarkable discoveries came in 2017 when researchers identified a vast, unexplored void, now known as the Scan Pyramids Big Void, hidden above the Grand Gallery in the Great Pyramid of Giza. Spanning at least 30 meters, this enigmatic space remains inaccessible, leaving its purpose an open question that continues to fuel scientific inquiry and debate. While we search for lost civilizations, nature is finding ways to survive against all odds. In one of the most radioactive places on Earth, wildlife is thriving in ways scientists never expected. In recent years, drone technology has provided unprecedented access to the Chernobyl exclusion zone, or CEZ, uncovering a thriving ecosystem that persists despite the lingering radioactive contamination from the 1986 nuclear disaster. With human presence largely absent, wildlife has reclaimed the area, with species such as wolves, boars, and moose repopulating the landscape. Remarkably, many of these animals exhibit genetic adaptations that enhance their ability to survive in high-radiation environments. Research suggests that Chernobyl's wolf population may carry mutations that offer resistance to cancer, a discovery that could have profound implications for human medical advancements. Likewise, stray dogs, descendants of pets left behind after the evacuation, appear to have developed genetic traits that help them endure chronic radiation exposure and environmental toxins. Even eastern tree frogs, which are typically bright green, have been observed with darker pigmentation, a possible protective response against radiation-induced damage. These findings challenge long-held assumptions about nuclear disaster zones demonstrating nature's extraordinary ability to adapt and recover. Beyond ecological resilience, studying these genetic changes could provide valuable insights into genetics, environmental science, and human health. As research into Chernobyl's wildlife continues, scientists may uncover critical breakthroughs in understanding radiation resistance and survival in extreme conditions. Recent drone surveys have revealed that the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is far larger than previously estimated. Covering approximately 1.6 million square kilometers, twice the size of Texas or 3 times that of France, the GPGP contains around 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic, collectively weighing an estimated 100,000 tonnes. In 2021 and 2022, Foresight drones, in partnership with Oceans Unmanned, carried out extensive aerial surveys to assess the scale of marine debris accumulation. Over 2 6-week expeditions, they conducted 34 drone flights, capturing nearly 27,000 images and identifying 3,000 distinct pieces of floating debris. These images were then analyzed using advanced machine learning-based object detection models and mapped with geographic information systems to assess the size and density of the waste. The findings highlight the worsening crisis of oceanic plastic pollution, emphasizing the urgent need for comprehensive and effective strategies to curb its impact on marine ecosystems. The scale of ocean pollution is shocking, but what about discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about life itself? A meteorite from Mars may hold the ultimate clue. The discovery of the Martian Meteorite ALH 84001 in 1984 and the 1996 announcement of possible signs of ancient Martian life were pivotal moments in planetary science. Found in Antarctica's Allen Hills region, the 1.93-kilogram meteorite was confirmed to be from Mars through isotopic analysis. NASA scientists, including David S. McKay, reported features in the meteorite they interpreted as possible Martian microfossils, including elongated structures, iron-rich minerals, and organic compounds. This sparked excitement and debate, even drawing a comment from President Bill Clinton. However, skepticism grew as many suggested the features could be explained by non-biological processes. By the late 1990s, the life hypothesis was largely dismissed. More recent studies, like one in 2020, detected nitrogen-bearing organic compounds, suggesting Mars may have once had conditions suitable for life. These findings continue to fuel scientific exploration of Mars. Hyperion, also known as Saturn VII, is a moon that stands out for several intriguing reasons. Discovered by William Cranch Bond in 1848, it immediately captured the attention of scientists due to its unusual characteristics. Unlike most moons, Hyperion has a porous structure and an irregular, chaotic shape. In fact, it spins in a way that's far from predictable, which adds to its mystery. Scientists believe its strange composition is the result of several massive impacts that shattered it, only for it to later reassemble itself. Despite its porous nature, Hyperion boasts a surprisingly high density, primarily made up of water ice, with some rock mixed in. What makes Hyperion truly unique, however, is its irregular shape, which challenged the idea that moons must be perfectly round. This was the first moon discovered that didn't conform to this expectation, sparking widespread fascination in the scientific community. The moon's surface is dotted with deep craters and towering mountains, further setting it apart from other moons in our solar system. Additionally, its low density has led to much speculation about its composition and origin. While Hyperion may be one of many moons of Saturn, its distinctive features make it one of the most captivating. What do you think caused Hyperion's chaotic spin and irregular shape? Could it be the result of some ancient cosmic event, or is there something even stranger at play? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel to discover more interesting things. The Antennae Galaxies, identified as NGC 4038 and NGC 4039, are a pair of interacting spiral galaxies located in the constellation Corvus. These galaxies were first observed by the renowned astronomer William Herschel on February 7, 1785. Initially, Herschel cataloged them as a single planetary nebula due to their compact appearance. Over several 100 million years, the galaxies have been engaged in a dramatic collision, resulting in the formation of two striking tidal tails that extend outward, resembling insect antennae. This interaction has sparked a starburst phase, where rapid star formation takes place, leading to the birth of numerous young star clusters. Recent studies have provided new insights into the Antennae Galaxies' distance from Earth. While earlier estimates suggested they were about 65 million light-years away, recent research has refined this figure, placing them closer at around 45 million light-years. The ongoing merger of these galaxies is a significant event for understanding galaxy evolution. It sheds light on how spiral galaxies transform into elliptical ones. Furthermore, observations of this merger have been crucial in refining models of galactic collisions and mergers, particularly the Tumri sequence, which describes the various stages of such cosmic events. In July of the year 2024, archaeologists published a groundbreaking study on a 21,000-year-old Glyptodon fossil discovered along the Reconquista River in northeastern Argentina. The fossil, which exhibited cut marks on its pelvis, tail, and body armor, suggests that early humans may have butchered this ancient creature. This discovery offers crucial insights into human interactions with megafauna during the late Pleistocene period. Earlier, in August of 2023, another remarkable find in Argentina uncovered a Glyptodon cub alongside 3 adult Glyptodons. This rare discovery, now displayed at the San Pedro Paleontological Museum, provides a unique look into the life and environment of these ancient creatures. Glyptodonts were large, herbivorous mammals with robust, armored shells and tails protected by a series of mobile rings. They were closely related to modern armadillos, with DNA analysis confirming their familial connection. These findings, captured by military drones in remote areas, continue to deepen our understanding of early human life and the creatures they once interacted with. While we're exploring buried secrets, there's one hidden beneath a famous cathedral that's stirring up more than just historical interest. What could be hiding beneath the surface? In April of 2022, archaeologists uncovered 2 lead sarcophagi beneath Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris. One belonged to Antoine de la Porte, a high priest who died in 1710, while the other was identified as Renaissance poet Joachim du Bellay, who passed away in 1560, based on specific skeletal anomalies. During the cathedral's restoration after the 2019 fire, over 1,000 fragments of a 13th-century rood screen were discovered. Some pieces, weighing up to 400 kilograms, still showed traces of original paint. Notably, Notre Dame is the first known Gothic cathedral to use iron in construction, with large iron staples reinforcing the stonework. Additionally, numerous medieval sculptures and artifacts were found, providing invaluable insight into the cathedral's rich architectural and artistic heritage. Blood Falls, located at Taylor Glacier in East Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, is a striking natural phenomenon discovered in 1911. This waterfall emits red, iron-rich brine that stains the ice, a result of brine seeping from a subglacial reservoir beneath the glacier. The brine oxidizes upon exposure to air, creating a distinctive red hue. Contrary to earlier beliefs, the color isn't due to algae but iron-rich nanospheres. The brine supports a unique ecosystem of 17 microbial species, thriving in extreme cold, darkness, and high salinity, using chemical reactions for energy. A 2023 study confirmed that red coloration is caused by oxidized iron nanospheres. In May 2014, brine releases were captured on camera for the first time. The extreme conditions at Blood Falls offer insights into astrobiology, potentially providing clues about life on other planets like Mars, where similar subsurface environments might exist. In 2024, a mysterious sinkhole appeared in the Rostov region of southern Russia, sparking widespread curiosity. a man filmed the hole, which was strikingly round, situated in the middle of agricultural land. This discovery adds to a series of unusual sinkholes that have appeared across Russia in recent years. For instance, in 2014, a massive sinkhole measuring 35 meters deep was found in Siberia, following an unexplained eruption that launched soil and rocks up to 120 meters away. Scientists now propose a new theory to explain these giant craters. They suggest that the sinkholes form in areas with specific conditions, particularly in Russia's northern Yamal and Jidin peninsulas. The theory posits that these craters developed in the spots where ancient lakes once bubbled with natural gas from the permafrost below. As the lakes dried up, freezing temperatures sealed the gas vents. Over time, the buildup of gas eventually led to explosive releases, forming the giant craters we see today. The next discovery sheds light on a phenomenon that could change the way we view the Earth itself. In 2007, researchers in Siberia made an astonishing discovery, a cache of seeds from Silene stenophila, also known as narrow-leafed campion. These seeds, estimated to be between 20,000 and 40,000 years old, were preserved in the permafrost within ancient ground squirrel burrows near the Kolyma River. This remarkable find offered a rare chance to study plant life from the Pleistocene epoch. Fast forward to 2012, when a team of Russian scientists achieved a groundbreaking feat. They successfully regenerated plants from these ancient seeds. Using tissue culture techniques, they grew 36 plants from the placental tissue of the seeds. These regenerated plants showed slight differences from their modern relatives, including longer and more widely spaced petals. Remarkably, the seeds from these ancient plants boasted a 100% germination rate, surpassing the 90% rate seen in today's plants. Easter Island, a remote landmass in the southeastern Pacific Ocean, is best known for its massive moai statues, nearly 1,000 monumental figures carved by its Polynesian inhabitants. Archaeologists estimate that settlers arrived between 800 and 1200 AD, establishing a thriving society. However, over time, deforestation and environmental changes contributed to severe societal challenges. By the time European explorers reached the island in 1722, the population had dramatically declined. Chile annexed Easter Island in 1888, and it remains a Chilean territory today. While no major discoveries linking Easter Island to Argentina have been found, ongoing research continues to unveil new details about the island's past. In recent years, advanced imaging technologies, including military drone surveillance, have provided unprecedented aerial insights into hidden archaeological sites. These efforts are helping scientists piece together the mysteries of the island's lost civilization. The discovery of emeralds in Russia's Ural Mountains in the early 19th century reshaped the global gemstone industry. In December of 1830, a peasant named Maxim Kozhevnikov found green crystals near the Tokovaya River and presented them to the Royal Lapidary Factory in Yekaterinburg. This led to organized mining, with the first extraction recorded in January of 1831. By 1833, the Malisheva deposit was discovered, becoming a major emerald source despite setbacks like flooding in the 1850s. By 1899, the mine was leased to an Anglo-French company, making it a global leader in emerald production. The Ural Mountains emeralds form in a rare geological zone, producing gems with a distinctive yellowish-green hue. Recent modernization efforts have improved extraction and security, with military drones aiding surveillance. Russia remains a key emerald producer, preserving its legacy in the gemstone industry. Our next discovery takes us to a place where even ancient animals are coming back to life. The Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau has been receding rapidly since 2005, uncovering tree stumps and logs over 1,000 years old, some still standing with roots and bark intact. These trees, likely spruce or hemlock, were preserved under a protective gravel layer. In Rangel St. Elias National Park, melting ice has exposed artifacts like weapons and baskets, some dating back nearly 3,000 years. These discoveries provide crucial details about early human activity and environmental conditions in ancient Alaska. As climate change accelerates glacial retreat, more hidden relics are expected to emerge. Military drones are now being used to survey these rapidly changing landscapes, uncovering secrets buried beneath the ice for millennia. In 2020, reindeer herders in Siberia made an extraordinary discovery, a remarkably well-preserved brown bear carcass protruding from the permafrost on Bolshoi-Lykovsky Island, part of Russia's Arctic archipelago. This find was exceptional because it included not only the bear's fur, skin, claws, and teeth, but also soft tissues such as body fat and other internal. Initially, scientists believed the carcass belonged to a disappeared cave bear from the Ice Age, dating back between 22,000 and 39,500 years. However, further radiocarbon dating and genetic analyses revealed that the bear was actually a brown bear, living approximately 3,460 years ago. Conducted by scientists from the Lazarev Mammoth Museum Laboratory at Northeastern Federal University in Yakutsk revealed that the female bear stood about 5 feet 1 inch tall and weighed approximately 172 pounds. Researchers also found remnants of unidentified plants and bird feathers in the bear's stomach, which seemed to be its last meal. This rare discovery offers a unique opportunity to study the anatomy and health of ancient brown bears, providing valuable insights into their biology and the environment they lived in. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Click on the video that appears on your screen right now. I'm sure you'll love this content. Comment below about the next country you'd like to see featured on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being with us. Leave a comment, like to show your support, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting videos. See you next time.